Good morning and welcome to Full Circle Ozarks.
Well, hey friends, welcome back to Full Circle Ozarks. Still down here at the Sawmill shed. I think I'm going to go ahead and start preparing to put this wall right here up. And the second wall I will put up, we'll walk down here. Will be this short wall here. And then I'll do the back wall over there on that end. And I'll finish by doing the back wall right over here. The first thing I want to do is go ahead and get a board going across the bottom. And that may eventually set the stage, so I might pour this with concrete, I don't know. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to set these boards here nice and level. And if so, they will be in place for when I get ready to do the concrete. I think a bug just got after Cotton Top. I don't know if you heard her or not. Cotton Top, you better come on down here.
That was a spider. Make sure it's not in my hair.
What got you?
A spider.
A spider?
Make sure it's not in my hair.
No, I don't see it. No spider.
Oh.
She don't like spiders and snakes.
Don't like them on. Sorry, guys.
She was sitting up there being as quiet as a church mouse, and I don't know if you heard her. I don't know if it's an actual spider or not that dropped down, but it could have been a leaf. It was behind you, wasn't it?
No, it come right here in my face.
Really?
Yes. Promise?
Promise? Well, anyway, why don't you stay down here and help me just for a moment, and we're going to see if we can get this first board in.
Okay.
Okay, you see this rock I got right here, Cotton Top, that little one right there?
Yep.
Okay.
Right here?
Yes. No, right there.
Right there?
That one.
Okay.
This board should go about like that.
Okay.
I just got to make it flush down here. Whoops.
Oh,
Right there.
okay.
So I'm gonna go ahead and start this screw here, and then we're gonna make sure that it's nice and level.
Okay.
Get my pick out of the way. Okay, that won't go nowhere. Now what we're going to do, that's going to become the baseline. Okay, now right here, okay, I'm going to adjust it a little bit more there. Okay, I think that's going to be close enough. There it is.
There it is.
Okay. Okay.
You need to move some of that dirt back?
Yeah, we'll move a little bit of that dirt right there so I can get the... One down. 3 more to go.
Okay.
Okay, let me see how long I want to need this. From the outside of this one to kind of right in the middle of this one, I'm going to cut it 60. Is it? There you go. I'll make it 69 and a half. Yeah, 69 and a half. Yeah, these will eventually come off, these boards.
Oh.
Let me go grab a couple more screws. They may be. Okay, set it on top there. Tell me which way it needs to go. Right there? Okay, come down this, on this end. That says go up. Right there? Okay.
Dead on.
That one's done. 2 more to go. This is a screw that I've used before, so the tip is dull. There we go. Can you hear that beep?
Mm-hmm.
Right there. Okay, let's do the other end. Okay. Now those other two can be screwed in. One more to go. Okay, push it my way. Right there.
Yep.
Okay. Let's double check it if you'll hold that for me. I like it. That's good there. That post is right in my way, folks. I'll come back this way just a hair. I like it. It's good.
Done.
Yes, it is. It is done. So I'm going to bring some more fill dirt back in. Fill this up a little bit more back here. Fill this, bring this up in here. And I want to get that taken care of, I think, before I start actually putting these sides on. Now that I've got those in place, that tells me what I need to do.